heard that you want to learn how to dance. And if that's true, you found the right video. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you don't know who I am Nevaeh Renee. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips for you to kind of get into the dancing community. I have been dancing since I was little, and I am self-taught. I have not been to a dance class, dance school, none of that. I've took dancing classes in high school, but that's all the experience I could share with you from like under an instructor. But so let's kind of just get into it and like tell you some things that you should know before starting. Okay, so you want to start by picking your style of dance before anything. Kind of, if you don't know what the styles there are, just do a little research. Like for example, you have hip-hop, jazz, ballet, like those kinds. I personally, like, my main focus is in hip-hop, but of course I've done K-pop dances, I've done many other types of dances. So you just want to make sure you start off by picking what dance you're doing. Next, you want to find a dancer that you enjoy watching, and you want to kind of like study their movements, you know. Some things that you like want to look out for is how they hit the beats and how easy they let their body flow with the beat. And you want to look at how they are, like, you know, making sure that their movements are clean. Like, you can hit all the beats, do all the movements, but the dance will not look right if you aren't making sure that you're making it clean. So when you hit a beat, don't make, like, say for instance, if you want to do a little like this, you want to make sure you're doing it real smooth and clean. You don't want it looking like that, because nobody's not going to know what you're doing. So you want to make sure that your movements are clean. So make sure you are really looking at that. Add on to that, you want to make sure that the dancer and or song that you're watching and practicing matches your skill level. You don't want to be a beginner and you're dancing to a song or dancer that is way far from a beginner. The dances are going to be harder. You will not be able to catch on quickly. It's just going to be a mess. You want to make sure you start off with a song, dance, whatever that matches to your skill. So if you want to like use an actual like dance tutorial, make sure it says beginner friendly. Make sure it's beginner friendly, because I promise you it's going to help you out so much. They're going to walk you step by step through the music, without the music, all together in sections. It's gonna be easy if you do it the right way, okay? You're practicing, make sure that your clothes are very comfortable, like sweatpants, loose t-shirt. It could be a regular t-shirt, but pants don't dance in, like, I would say, like, don't dance in super tight clothing, like it's jeans. Don't dance in super tight jeans. Like, tights are okay, it's fine, but super tight jeans, no. You will be no. Make sure like your clothes are very comfortable and stretchy, so you can be able to do the moves how they're supposed to be done, because you don't want to look stiff, okay? That's the main part about this. You don't want to look stiff at all. I'm just telling you. So make sure your clothes are very good, because they play a big part in your dancing, okay? Another thing, when you're practicing your dances and the songs and stuff, make sure your facial expression isn't stiff, because you don't want to be, you know, dancing and that's how your face looks the whole time. No, you want your facial expressions to match your movements. So if you're doing like a cutesy dance, make sure you're either smiling, winking, doing something with your face, but don't make it look weird. Don't make it look awkward. You can just do something very simple, but just make sure that facial expression does not look stiff, because if your facial expression looks stiff, your dancing will look stiff. Okay? Okay. That's all I have for right now. If you would like any more tips, don't be afraid to comment down below and ask all of your questions, because I personally would love to answer every single one of them. And you know, also if you have any other like ideas or what you would like to see on my channel, you know, make sure you tap into the community and jot it down. I'll jot it down in my notes and we'll keep this going. Okay, guys? Bye.